There it is. That's what I'm talking about. And look at that 73, man. Hey, look at that. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Look at it. Ooh, yes, sir. Caprice Classic. Hey, man, how you find it, bro?
We're in the house, baby.
I want y'all to see this 1973 convertible, Caprice Classic Donk. But before we do that, check out this 72 Impala LS3 swap. Looking at almost 600 horsepower. We ain't put it on the dyno yet, YouTube. We did our own wiring. We show y'all how to do that, YouTube. Step by step. Did our own fuel system. We show y'all how to do that as well. Step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. LS swap, baby. I also want you to see this. This car right here is our 75 convertible Caprice. It's sitting in the woods 28 years, y'all. Unmolested. Yeah, baby. We got a roller, baby. We got a roller. Both Donks in the garage now, man. I want to ask you a question. How would you like to know how to do an LS swap in an old school car that run like this? LS swap, baby. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you see all the videos when we post them. And I need for you to drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with Chevys R Us, Tone. Y'all ready? Let's get it. YouTube. This your boy, Tone coming back at y'all one more again, YouTube, with another great video on Chevys R Us, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. We outside, man. We ain't in the garage, but we outside today. You know what I'm talking about? But anyway, YouTube, I want y'all to see this 1973 convertible Caprice Classic Donk, man. These old school cars, they still out there, man. They out there. I want to give somebody hope. If you want an old school car and you've been looking for one, but you ain't found it yet, or even if you just always had the desire to get an old school car, at the end of this video, I'm going to put a link up, man, to show you how anybody can find any kind of old school car, man. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. You know what I'm saying? It worked for me. It worked for other people I know. And guess what? If it worked for me and worked for them, it'll work for you too. Only thing you got to do is check that video out. So let's check this 73 out, y'all. Let's get it. All right, look, YouTube. There it is. There it is. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, man. Woo, look at it, man. Look at it. That's what I'm talking about right there, y'all. Yes, sir, man. Look at that thing, man. Hey, man, that's a solid car right there, bro. Hey, man, you looking good, man. You looking good, man. What year is it, bro?
73.
73, man. Okay, okay. Hey, man, how you find it, bro?
My uncle, man, he had it. Came from Hartford, Connecticut.
Hartford, Connecticut. Okay, so it was in the family.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
How long you had it, bro?
A year.
A year? Hey, man, that's what I'm talking about, man. Hey, that thing clean. Y'all see it, YouTube? Hey, man, look at that thing right there, bro. Ooh, yes, sir. Caprice Classic. Hey, look at that. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Look at it. Ooh, Look at that down there. That's what I'm talking about. The top work on it. Ooh! Yes, sir. Hey, man, that's what I'm talking about, man. Y'all see it, man. We down here in Columbus, Georgia. Hey, Caprice Classic. Yes, sir, man. Hey, man, look at that 73, man. Hey, man, that thing right, bro. Ooh. Breakers. Yes, sir. Hey, man, this Chevy's R Us, man. You want to give a shout out, man?
My brother.
That what's up, y'all heard him?
We're in the house, baby.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If you like these kind of old school cars, if you're trying to find an old school car, I want to share a secret with you. How anybody can find any kind of old school car. Only thing you gotta do, man, is click that link in the top right corner and check that video out. How anybody can find any kind of old school car for cheap. Hey, that's it. Chevy's R Us, man. All right.